India is a country of farmers. Our meals, our festivals, and our future start in the fields. But many farmers still don't get timely practical help. A wrong spray day, a sudden pest, or a price crash can turn hope into debt and despair. Tragically, some farmers die by suicide each year. This is heartbreaking. Technology should stand with them and not leave behind them. So, we built our project, that is Fasal Guru, to be a calm coach in your pocket. It is a simple, multilingual, and made for real farm conditions. You can talk or type in any of your language and get short, clear steps which you can follow every day of your crop cycle. So, our Fasal Guru is divided into three cycles of farming. So, the first cycle is pre-crop cycle. Here we do the soil analysis. Before sowing, tell the app about your field or share a soil photo. The Fasal Guru suggests a simple nutrition plan for your crop with quantities and timing and safe organic options too. It's ready for low cost sensors when you have them. Now, the second cycle is ongoing cycle where we do the task accordingly to weather cycle. Each morning, see a clean 7-day plan, good days to spray, when to water or skip watering, and how to prepare for heat or rain. Even with a weak signal, the app keeps working and saves data. Short, clear, and step, no jargon. Now we come to cycle 3. It is a post crop cycle where we detect the diseases and yield cycle. So if you spot a sick leaf, just take a photo and put it on our Fasal Guru. Fasal Guru suggests likely issues, shows how sure it is, and explain what to do next. Move a simple slider to mark the affected area and see the possible impact so you can act where it matters most. Near harvest, the app checks nearby market trends and cost to help you decide whether to sell now or store it. Your data stays private in our app. The app runs on modest phone and speaks simply. Fasal Guru also has a Jarvis style AI chatbot which is more feasible to use by the farmers which are not much educated. They can talk to it in their own language. So, at the end, I Love Agnihotri, the team leader of Neural Ninjas, representing the GL Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management College, want to say that Fasal Guru is not just a crop yield prediction application, but it is more than it. It predicts the yield. It also helps the farmer to increase the yield not only by 10%, but we have estimated it approximate 15 to 35%. I hope you like that Fasal Guru. You may visit the link which is in the description of the YouTube video. Thank you.